Hello everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. If today's your first time clicking, thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a subscriber already, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos again. You already know that I love you. Yes, I love you. My name is Olajumoke. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Ibadan. If you are coming across this face for the very first time, please do well by clicking on the subscribe button below, that red highlighted button below. Click on it, okay? Give this video a thumbs up. As in now, let me wait a minute. Yeah, please let me get a like from you. It is very important. And also feel free to share this video. Somebody else might need this recipe. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be sharing remedy that treats low sperm count and weak erection. If you fall into this category, that you are fighting or struggling to sustain and maintain your erection, or perhaps you want to increase the size of your joystick, definitely this video is for you. Okay, and perhaps you are a wife, you want your husband to move from 1 minute man to 40-minute man. You know what I mean? Yes, after this, yes, your husband is going to give it to you so hard that you will be craving for your husband every day by day, night by night, morning by morning. Okay, so if you want to know about this recipe, definitely keep on watching and make sure you do not skip this video. Watch from start to finish so that you won't miss anything. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is lemon. So you're going to squeeze the lemon inside the water. Or perhaps you can just slice your lemon and put it inside the water and let it rest for like 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, drink the whole water. It will detox your body and set your body ready for the treatment. So the next thing you're going to be needing is unripe plantain. This is very good for man with weak erection and low sperm count. Unripe plantain helps in sustaining and maintaining erection. It also helps to make semen thick and increase sperm volume. It also contains antioxidant compounds that prevent diseases and provide vitamins. It also generates small release of glucose that may help to prevent colon cancer. It helps to boost sexual performance and increase sex drive to satisfaction. It prevents premature ejaculation in men during sexual intercourse and also increase the size of your joystick. So this is what you would do with the plantain. You're going to cut it down like this. After washing thoroughly, let it be cleaned before cooking. And make sure you eat this 3 times in a week. Use it religiously and you will testify to the glory of God in your life. So let's check if it is cooked. Still hard. So guys, it is done. this is what it looks like after cooking. So you are going to remove the skin out of it like so. So this is it, guys. You can eat it with vegetable or a stew, and you can also eat it alone. Whichever way you want to eat it, it is good, but this is the main remedy. So try as much as possible to eat this as a man 3 times a week. This remedy is for men. Eat it 3 times a week, and trust me, you are going to see increase in size of your joystick. You are going to maintain your erection to satisfaction, and if you are battling with low sperm count, this will also boost your semen. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, please do well to give it a thumbs up, share this video, and also remember to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video.